86% of millionaires started with nothing in their bank accounts. Zero inheritance, zero trust funds, just knowledge of rules that schools never mention in any classroom. Here's what stings. Most people stay broke not because they lack intelligence, but because they're playing by completely wrong instructions. Two people start at identical places, same neighborhood, same opportunities. One builds wealth that compounds every single year. The other works harder yet struggles to cover monthly bills. That's not coincidence or random chance. That's cause-meeting effect in the real world. The game has specific mechanics, just like gravity pulling objects down or electricity flowing through circuits. Once you understand how these mechanics actually operate, the results stop feeling like mystery and start becoming predictable. No manifestation required. No positive thinking exercises. Just cold mechanics that anyone can learn and apply starting today. You trade hours for dollars at your job. Work harder to earn slightly more. Save whatever remains after spending. Buy items that create temporary happiness. That's the losing playbook, and 95% of people follow it without questioning. The Federal Reserve tracks this. Average Americans spend 95 cents of every dollar earned. Only 5 cents get saved. Millionaires flip this completely. They save 20 cents minimum and invest most of it. Same income levels, wildly different outcomes. The broke mindset asks, how can I afford this thing? The wealth mindset asks, how can this thing make me money? See the difference? One question keeps you stuck in the hamster wheel. The other question builds machines that generate cash while you sleep. Your wallet feels like a leaky bucket not because you earn too little, but because you're following instructions designed to keep you broke. Think of money like two completely separate board games happening at the same table. Game 1. Trade your time for paychecks. Work more hours to get bigger paychecks. Save leftover scraps. Purchase things that feel impressive. Game 2. Trade money for more money. Make your dollars multiply without your presence. Invest first before spending. Purchase things that actually build wealth. The difference isn't about starting capital or family connections. It's about which instruction manual you're reading and following. Some people get born with Game 2's manual already open on their childhood dinner tables. They learn about investing in tax strategies before graduating high school. Others never see that manual exists until decades pass. The system absolutely favors people who already have capital to deploy. That's undeniable. But here's the part they don't advertise loudly. You can still win once you learn the actual rules. Broke people park cash in savings accounts watching inflation eat 2 to 3% annually. Rich people put that same cash into assets that grow 7 to 10% yearly on average. A $10,000 investment in the S&P 500 back in 2000 will be worth over $40,000 today. You did literally nothing except let time pass. That's the first cheat code. Your money working harder than your body ever could. While you're sleeping or watching movies or eating dinner, your investments are multiplying. Compound growth becomes your employee that never takes vacations or calls in sick. Most people think they need massive amounts to start this process. Complete myth. Most brokerages now accept accounts with zero minimum balance requirements. You can buy fractional shares of major companies for $1, not $1,000, not $100, just $1. The amount doesn't matter at the beginning. Building the automatic habit matters. Set up $25 monthly into index funds and forget about it. Every dollar you spend makes a choice. It either grows over time or shrinks over time. There's no neutral ground in this game. Poor people buy items that lose value immediately. Fancy cars that depreciate 20% when leaving the dealership. Expensive clothes that go out of style within months. The latest gadgets that become obsolete in 1 year. Rich people buy items that gain value. Stocks that appreciate, real estate that generates rental income, businesses that scale, skills that increase earning power. That $500 monthly BMW payment? That's $6,000 yearly that could become $100,000 in 20 years if invested properly. Those $200 designer shoes? That's money that can't work for your future self. Every payment on depreciating stuff is money that can't compound for you. This doesn't mean never enjoy life or buy fun things. It means understanding the real cost. Not just the price tag, but the opportunity cost of what that money could have built instead. The average millionaire has 7 different income sources. Not one job, not 2 side hustles. 7 separate streams flowing cash simultaneously. Poor people put every egg in one employment basket and pray nothing breaks. Then layoffs happen. Illness strikes. The economy shifts. Everything stops. Smart people build multiple streams. Investment dividends, business profits, royalties from created content, consulting fees, real estate rent, online course sales, affiliate commissions. If one stream dries up temporarily, 6 others keep flowing. This isn't about working 7 jobs or never sleeping. It's about building systems that operate independently. Your money invested in index funds generates returns automatically. Your online course sells while you sleep. Your rental property collects checks monthly. Your blog earns affiliate commissions 24/7. Each stream starts small, but combined, they create financial security that one job can never provide, no matter how stable it seems. Financial invisibility. Most people have zero clue where money actually disappears. They claim they can invest $50 monthly, but spend $200 on food delivery without tracking. Hundreds leak through $15 coffee runs, random Amazon impulses, forgotten subscriptions. You're playing blind without seeing your health bar. Inflation ignorance. That safe money in savings loses 2 to 3% buying power yearly, while earning maybe 0.5% interest. Your $10,000 loses $250 in purchasing power annually. You're guaranteeing getting poorer by not investing. Liability addiction. That $500 car payment, $200 shoes, $1,200 phone upgrade, all make you feel wealthy while ensuring you stay broke. Every payment on depreciating items is money that can't work for you. Time poverty. Spending hours to save $10 on groceries, then claiming no time to learn investing. Doing yard work to save $100 instead of building side businesses that could generate $1,000. You're trading your most valuable resource for pennies. A person with $100,000 invested makes $7,000 yearly, doing absolutely nothing with basic 7% returns. Someone with $0 invested makes $0. The system literally rewards having capital to deploy. That's the harsh truth. But 86% of millionaires didn't inherit their wealth. They learned to play by wealth-building rules, even starting completely broke. 1 skill makes you replaceable in the job market. 2 complementary skills make you valuable. 3 stack skills make you irreplaceable and able to charge premium rates. Examples: coding plus marketing equals tech entrepreneur. Writing plus psychology equals high-paid copywriter. Video editing plus business knowledge equals YouTube empire builder. Sales plus finance equals investment advisor. Design plus technology equals app developer. If you're the only person who can do a specific combination of things, you can charge whatever you want. Most people try competing by being better at one thing. Smart people compete by being the only person who can do 3 things together. Track every single dollar for 30 days minimum. You can't manage what you don't measure or see clearly. Use apps like Mint or a NAB or simple spreadsheets. Most people discover they're hemorrhaging $200 monthly on forgotten subscriptions, $300 on food delivery, $150 on impulse purchases. Just awareness alone starts changing behavior patterns. Open a brokerage account with Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard today. Start with index funds that track the overall market. Set up automatic investing of whatever you can afford, even $25 monthly. The amount doesn't matter initially. Building the habit matters. Before every purchase over $50, apply this filter. Will this make me money or cost me money? If it doesn't make you money, think twice. If it actively costs you money like car payments or expensive gadgets, think 3 times. This doesn't mean never buy anything fun. It means being intentional about the difference between investments and expenses. The system won't change overnight to become fair. It's designed to reward people who already have money to invest. That's reality. But reality also shows that people learn these rules and win anyway, regardless of starting position or family background. You're already playing one of these 2 games, whether you realize it or not. The only question, are you playing a game that builds wealth or the game that keeps you broke? Every dollar you earn today makes a choice. It either works for you or against you. It either compounds over decades or disappears by next month. Most people will watch this, nod their heads, feel motivated for 3 hours, then return to the same patterns that keep them stuck. Knowledge changes nothing without action. The rules are right here. The game is learnable. Your move. The game doesn't care if you're ready. It's already started.